Paton S1-R is a motorcycle that feels like it has been handcrafted not just with metal and carbon fiber, but with history, passion, and the unmistakable DNA of Italian racing culture. When you look at it for the first time, you immediately sense that it isn't trying to compete in the mass-produced superbike market. It's here to make a statement. This is a limited production, hand-built work of art from Paton, a brand steeped in racing heritage, and the S1-R is the perfect embodiment of that legacy. It's a road-legal cafe racer that blends modern performance with the kind of craftsmanship that's almost extinct in today's motorcycle industry. Everything about it screams exclusivity, from the meticulous attention to detail to the fact that each bike is built to order, meaning no two are truly identical. This isn't a motorcycle you simply buy. It's one you commission, like a bespoke suit or a fine watch. Underneath its vintage-inspired bodywork lies a beating heart that is far from old-fashioned. The Paton S1-R is powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine sourced from Kawasaki, tuned to deliver smooth, responsive power throughout the rev range. While it's not chasing mind-bending horsepower figures, the engine produces around 71 horsepower and 64 newton-meters of torque, which, in a bike that weighs just 158 kilograms dry, is more than enough to deliver an exhilarating ride. The beauty of this power plant is its versatility. It's equally happy cruising through city streets as it is carving up winding mountain passes, all while producing a distinctive exhaust note thanks to its bespoke SC Project exhaust system. That soundtrack alone is addictive, with a deep, raspy growl that makes every twist of the throttle feel special. The chassis of the S1-R is a masterclass in balance and handling. It uses a lightweight tubular steel frame that keeps the bike agile and responsive, paired with premium suspension components from Öhlins or Bitubo, depending on customer preference. The suspension is fully adjustable, giving riders the ability to fine-tune the ride for comfort or performance. Braking is handled by high-spec Brembo components, providing strong, precise stopping power that matches the bike's performance potential. The combination of lightweight, excellent suspension, and powerful brakes means the S1-R feels planted and confidence-inspiring whether you're attacking tight switchbacks or enjoying a spirited Sunday ride. But what truly sets the Paton S1-R apart is its design. Every curve, every line, and every component is a nod to the brand's racing history, particularly its dominance in the Isle of Man TT's lightweight class. The tank and tail section draw inspiration from classic race bikes of the 1960s and 70s, while the modern materials and finish make it unmistakably contemporary. The use of carbon fiber in key areas keeps the weight low and the aesthetics sharp, while details like hand-stitched leather seats and precision-machined aluminum parts add a leave.